Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of smooth, unsweetened peanut butter and 4 to 6 cups of a rich broth, like chicken or vegetable. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Finally, choose your protein, perhaps 1 pound of chicken or beef, or a hearty plant-based option. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in 3 minced garlic cloves and a 2-inch piece of grated fresh ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add your protein, like 1 pound of chicken, browning it nicely. It's time to bring everything together for that signature creamy texture. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 cup of smooth peanut butter with about 2 cups of warm broth until it forms a completely smooth paste. This prevents lumps in your soup. Now, pour this rich peanut butter mixture into your pot with the brown protein and aromatics. Add the remaining 2 to 4 cups of broth, stir well, and bring the soup to a gentle simmer for at least 20 minutes. Almost ready to enjoy your delicious creation. Before serving, taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add more salt, freshly ground black pepper, or even a pinch of cayenne pepper for extra warmth. A squeeze of fresh lime juice, about 1 tablespoon, can really brighten the flavors. Ladle your rich, creamy peanut butter soup into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro, crunchy roasted peanuts, or a swirl of coconut milk for a beautiful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.